Hello everyone, so today's question is from the JEE Mains first shift which is held on April 13, 2023. So let us read the question. We are having an organic compound gives 0.220 gram of the CO2 and 0.126 gram of the water on complete combustion. If the percentage of carbon is 24, then the percentage of hydrogen is nearest integer we need to find. So first of all, what we are provided with, we are provided with the organic compound. What it is giving this much amount of CO2 and this much amount of water. Fine. Now it is done that complete combustion is given. If the percentage of carbon is the 24%, then percentage of hydrogen we need to find. So first you have to find the moles of CO2. How much moles it is given? So here we are having 0. How will you find the moles? Okay, let us write the moles formula. So moles you can find by the formula of whatever the given mass, you should keep it on the numerator and then divide it with the molar mass. So molar mass of the CO2 is 44 gram per mole. So it will comes out to be 1 upon 200. Okay. So from here we can say that whatever is the mole of CO2 which is equals to moles of carbon. Whatever CO2 is coming whenever there is a combustion of the hydrocarbon. So whatever is the CO2 coming when you combust the hydrocarbon, it is coming from the carbon of the hydrocarbon. Yes. Then now we got the moles. So from moles can we get the mass of the carbon? Yes, we can do like that. So if you see moles we are having, this is the moles. If we multiply the molar mass of the carbon, so we will get the given mass of the hydrogen. So, not the hydrogen, the carbon. So it is comes out to be not this 24. If you calculate this, it will comes out to be, so you can cut it 2 and this is 6. So 6 upon 100 comes out to be 0.06. This is the weight of carbon we have calculated. So if you wanted to find the percentage of carbon, then we are having 0.06 weight we have calculated. Total weight of the hydrocarbon we don't know. Yes. So we have to multiply with this. So it will comes out to be, so weight and the percentage of carbon we have already given in the question, right? So here percentage of carbon, how much it is given? 24. So from here we can calculate the weight of the hydrocarbon. So it will comes out to be 24. It will, if you solve this, it will comes out to be 0.25 gram. So this is the amount of hydrocarbon. Now let us find, same we will do with the moles of water. Whatever moles we are having of the water, same with the hydrogen. Now, so we are having how much? 0.126. Molar mass of water is 18. So if you solve, it will come out 0.007. These are the moles. Now, moles of H atom. How will you calculate? Here, H atom, we have to find the hydrogen. So how many hydrogen in this? 2. So 2 into 0.007. So it is 0.014. If you wanted to find the percentage, how will you find the percentage? So 0.014, this is the weight, not the moles. You have moles already found, this is the weight. Yes, weight how will you find? Moles. This is formula is what? This is equals to moles. So if you multiply your moles with the molar mass, you will get the given mass. So when you multiply your molar mass with the moles, you will get the given mass, that is 0.014. Okay. Then we have to multiply it with the 1 and then divide it with weight of hydrocarbon, that is 0.25 into 100. So it will comes out to be 5.6, or we can write it as 10 to the power minus 1. So the question is asking about this 56 only. This minus 1 is already given. So the correct answer is 56. Thank you. Hope you understood the solution.